Welcome back for another vlog again for Tuner Empire Builds. Here is the other side of the GTR that we are doing. We shaved down on the last vlog, we shaved down the other side. Now we are gonna finish this one, shaving it down and try to smooth it out. But look at that wide body kit though. Man, that looks so nice from this angle. Look at that. Alright, so we just received our merch for our launch district event 2, and check this out. That's the shirt. Here, let me switch camera real quick so you guys can see it, because I'm using front camera right now and it doesn't show the full details on it. Alright, so here is the launch district shirt by Tuner Empire, and all that details right here, heat press details. Look at that. So give us a follow. Instagram, as you can see, Tuner Empire launch district Robo Fridays, and you can follow also my Instagram AK_S2dope, but it's not on the shirt, you know, because that's my personal Instagram. But all right, so here's the other side. As you can see here, we still have to smooth it out more, but here's the other side of it. Okay, so we're gonna do the work. We're gonna shave it down on the other side, and we will show you guys the result of that wide body kit. Once it's done, we're gonna pull it outside and we're gonna do walk around. All right. The GTR, so we can see what's the result. It's hard to see from far angle, but here, look, that wide body kit right here. Out there and check. So this is what we've been working on for months. Custom wide body kit GTR for Miguel's ride. Will be up for sale soon. If you want the kit, but look at the angle. We'll do a full walk around here. Look at the sharp look right here. Look at the angle. And alright, how about this one? It's really good. The gas tank, we just cut it up straight for now. that's not final finish, so we're still gonna have to work on that, and we might compensate it with the clay, like what we did in the front. We used clay in the front, which if you can see, it's gray clay in there, because it's easier to form the clay than the foam. Alright guys, let me know what you guys think. Would you buy one? Or you'd rather get them common rocket body kit? But man, look at that. Alright guys. Alright, so we're gonna bring the car inside now. But one more final look for the side view here. Showing off. Where is he going?
He just missed the car.
Oh, he just missed the car. Good. Very up. Holding an arrow. What is the drop? Oh, it's yourself. Please, thank you. Now we see the long air moving down. Alright guys, so before I end this video, I'm gonna show you guys the designs of our Widebody GTR. Here is the rear. It'll flow like that. In the video, it doesn't look like it because it's a revision design. We will be adding some clay on this side so we can compensate adding these rivets area. It's easier to use clay when you have these holes instead of foam, because you cannot really shape foam that much in a small pin like this. So that's what we're doing. And the front will be only short. It'll be like this. For the bumper cut, it'll be here, and that's the bumper extension part. But it flow like that, similar to that at least. So here is the drawing right here. Here is the flow of the mark, and here is the 3D of the design. So we're doing some 3D designing work here after we draw it. But look at that though, look at that flow. So there's some airflow here going to the rear. But yeah, man, I'm excited. There's a lot of work that we need to do on this car. Hopefully we can make it on the Let's Go Racewars event. And all right, so thanks for watching our vlogs. Please follow us on our Facebook page and Instagram page. All right, thank you.